following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 16th chapter, text number 26 through 30, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on January 23rd, 1974, in Hawaii.
So, Dharitri, the earthly planet, was lamenting that due to the contamination done by the Kali, I am thinking I am lost of all these good qualities. So, Saucham, Sattam, truthfulness. We must remember always that we are part and parcel of God. So, we have all the good qualities of God. That is our nature. Just like the drop of the ocean water, it has got all the qualities of the ocean. There is no doubt about it. Therefore, even if we take a little drop of ocean water, because the ocean water is salty, we taste the water salty. The salt is there also, but in minute quantity. The ocean has got millions and trillions of tons of salt, and here in the drop of the water there is a grain of salt. But salt is there. Another example, just like a little portion of gold. So, that is also gold. It is not iron. So naturally, in our original position, we have got all the good qualities of God. Now, due to the material contamination, the godly qualities are now covered. The godly qualities are there, but it is covered. That covering is possible due to our very minuteness, very small quantity. Therefore we are fallible. But Krishna is not fallible. Another example, big fire and the spark. The spark is also fire, but it has got the potency to become extinguished. Suppose a spark falls down from the original fire, down, it is extinguished. But the big fire does not extinguish. Therefore, the big fire or Krishna is infallible. His name is Achyuta, infallible. The Mahabharata philosopher says that we are in Maya, and as soon as the Maya is taken away, we are God. So, we are not God, but we manifest our godly qualities when Maya is taken away. So long we are covered by Maya, our godly qualities are not manifest. But we are not God. Or you are God, but not that God, that big God, but you are a particle God. You can say, I am God, but You are not that original chief God, that you are not. This is our philosophy, and that is very genuine. How can I be God? If I am God, then why I have lost my godly qualities? Or why my godly qualities are now covered? This is very common sense. The godly qualities are there, just like a small particle of the spark, it is carbon. When it comes out of the fire, then it is extinguished. But if you put again to the fire, it is carbon again bright. Similarly, we are part and parcel of God, but if we fall down from the association of God, then we become appearing like material. But we are not material. It appears, that extinguished. This is simultaneously achinta bhedabhet. We are simultaneously one and different. As part and parcel in quality, we are one. But in quantity, God is great, we are small part. So, originally we have got all these qualities, satta, saucham, daya, khanti, styaga, santosha, arjavam, samodamastapashyamam, titikko paratishritam. Everything is there. But due to material contamination, especially in this age, Kali Yuga, the Kali Yuga is very strong, time is very strong, that even in contact, coming in contact with Krishna consciousness, they are falling. They are falling. That is due to Kali Yuga. Therefore, Mother Dharitri is sochami rohitang lokam papana kolina asritam. Now the Kali Yuga has come. I am thinking that I am very much disturbed that people are losing their original qualities. These qualities are not to be acquired. These qualities are there, but it is covered. Just like a sharpened knife, the cutting power is there, but when it is covered by dirt, it does not cut. So this is due to our material contamination. Therefore we have to revive it. That sharpness we have to revive it. That is Krishna consciousness movement. If one is actually Krishna conscious, then these qualities will be visible in his person. Yashasti bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gunai tattva samasate sura. That is the test. If one is actually advanced in Krishna consciousness, he will not find any fault in him. That is Krishna consciousness. Jasyasti bhakti bhagavati akinchana. If one has got unflinching faith and devotion to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Jasyasti bhakti bhagavati akinchana. Sarvai gunai. All the good qualities, these are the good qualities mentioned here. Sattang sauchang samodama santosha samo. So many. 26 good qualities of Vaishnava. These good qualities will be manifest. Then we understand, oh, here is actually